Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork belly crispy. First, choose a high-quality, skin-on pork belly, looking for a piece with consistent thickness and good fat-to-meat ratios. Next, pat the skin very dry with paper towels. For best results, refrigerate it uncovered for at least 24 hours to remove moisture. Finally, use a sharp knife to score the skin in a diamond pattern, making cuts about 1/2 inch apart, ensuring you cut through the skin and into the fat, but not into the meat itself. Now, let's get that flavor in. Season the meat side of your pork belly generously with a dry rub, including salt, pepper, and 5-spice powder, working it into the scored crevices. Avoid seasoning the skin directly at this stage. Then, brush the skin with a thin layer of white vinegar. This helps to further dry and soften the skin for optimal crisping. Finally, create a foil boat around the pork belly, ensuring the skin remains fully exposed to the oven's heat. For the initial roast, place a thick layer of coarse salt directly on the pork belly skin. Roast it at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. This salt crust helps draw out moisture. After this time, carefully remove the pork belly from the oven and scrape off all the salt crust. Increase your oven temperature to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Return the pork belly to the oven and continue roasting for another 30 to 45 minutes, or until the skin is beautifully bubbly, puffed, and golden brown. Once your pork belly has achieved that perfect crispy crackling, remove it from the oven. It's crucial to let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring tender, succulent meat. Then, slice against the grain into your preferred portions and serve immediately. For more great cooking tips and other fantastic deals, including a link to some incredibly durable socks, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.